I am Manoj Kumar Behra, subject expert mechanics. So, in my previous classes, we have discussed something about friction, concept of friction, causes, advantages, disadvantages, and some terms related to friction and equilibrium of bodies in horizontal plane, in inclined plane, and its conditions. Today we will discuss a new aspect of friction. Today we will discuss ladder friction or friction related to ladder when it is placed on a ground or leaning over a wall. So let's start. So friends, as you know, as we have discussed in my previous classes, in earlier classes, friction is necessary in every kind of work you do. किछि काम करियो कहले हमको फ्रिक्शन टा दरकार. Similarly, here you can see, as we are going to discuss about ladder, friction must be there to bring a ladder in equilibrium. गोटे ladder को केमिति आमे ladder माने सीढ़ी जहाँ को हम ओडिया को तो ladder को आमे कांथरे डेरी ता ऊपर किछि काम करले फ्रिक्शन को मात्रा दरकार और काहे की दरकार आज से विषय हम डिस्कशन करिवो. फ्रिक्शन न हले कोन होबो सीढ़ीटा खसी जीवो तो हमर किछि ऑब्जेक्टिव फुलफिल होबनी काम होबनी सेथि पई आज हमें किछि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिवो. विल डिस्कस one or more problems and thereby we can assume, we can grasp if what amount of friction is necessary to hold a ladder in its position, thereby achieving our goal, achieving our objective. So let's move to the blackboard, whiteboard. Okay. Here, first thing is you have to know what a ladder is. जहाँ को हम ओडिया सीढ़ी कहूँ छु. सीढ़ी समझते जाने चो. You all know. I believe you all know what a ladder is. Ladder is a physical device which is used to scale some height, to climb a height. कांथ ऊपर उठिबा कि सीढ़ी रखी कि फैन सजाड़िबा पाई हमें गोटे सीढ़ी दरकार करू. तो एठी काहे कि फ्रिक्शन कोठी आसला. See, a ladder is a device which needs a ground and a wall. Wall re tip of the ladder is leaned against a wall and the bottom of the ladder is supposed to rest on the ground. This is A, this is B. Suppose A, B is a ladder. जहाँ रे की ground जहाँ रे bottom portion टा bottom tip टा ground रे rest हुए, आउ top portion टा wall को डेरी है कर रहे, lean है क्यों है, lean है कि और है. तो एठी friction को जगह हमारे chances अच्छी. As the bottom part of the ladder is rested on the ground due to its self weight which is supposed to act at the middle of the ladder. Weight टा सब बड़े सीजी रे act करे. जिंते ladder रे भी सीजी रे weight टा act करिवो तळाडकु तो सेठी कोन होबो ए बॉटम पोर्शन टा से राइट साइड स्लिप करबार चांस अछि. ए जो बॉटम पोर्शन टा दैट पॉइंट इज से ए से राइट साइड को दर शिफ्ट हे जो राइट साइड को स्लाइड हे जो फ्रिक्शन जनरली कोड खबो टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. लेट इट बी एफ ए. सिमिलरली top portion or tip of the ladder is supposed to slide downwards. से कोन भी कांथरे घसी हे कि तळु को पळे आसीबो. तळु को पळेसले जदि टिप पोर्शन टा तळु को मूव होची फ्रिक्शन इज friction will obviously happen towards upward. Let us suppose this is denoted by FB. एठु हमें जानि दबा ए फिगर रु हमें जानि लो जे गोटे सीढ़ी जेतले स्लिप करे the tendency of slipping of a ladder is towards the left side of the towards the left here in this figure towards the left and tip portion is towards the upwards. Friction left को पड़िबो तले and tip रे ऊपर पड़िबो. Friction is a bit clear here. Now see, since point A is resting on the ground, reaction will happen towards upward, that is R A. Suppose here the tip is resting or leaning against the wall, तो सिटी reaction सिटी भी गोटे पड़िबो. That reaction से R B. Clear? एबे हमें देखिबो कोन जे इस सीढ़ीटा, this ladder is having 5 number of forces. 5 number of forces. One is reaction at the ground, another is reaction at the wall, another one is the friction at the ground, another one the friction at the wall, and its self weight. Considering all the forces, we have to find the equilibrium condition of the ladder. Ladder equilibrium condition कौन है पारे. This is the most vital and important thing to discuss about a ladder. ये ladder रो जब हम equilibrium condition टाको clearly analyze कर देबो ताले problem किछि असुविधा करिवोनी. That can be easily be done. Okay, see, all the 5 forces constitute and it leads to equilibrium. So equilibrium condition of a ladder comprises of 5 things: friction at A, friction at B, reaction at A, reaction at B, and its own weight. Now see, we know in mechanics, in our first chapter, for equilibrium condition of any body, any object, you need to have 3 things. Summation of H must be 0. Summation of horizontal force must be 0. Summation of vertical forces must be 0, and summation of moments about a point must be 0. These are the 3 conditions for equilibrium. 3 conditions for equilibrium. These 3 conditions equally responsible for equilibrium of a ladder also. ये तीनटा कंडीशन हमर दरकार गोटे लैडर रो इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन बाहर करिया पाए. ओके, लेट अस सी हाउ ए लैडर कैन बी इन इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन और व्हाट विल बी द इक्वेशंस. देखिबा कोन हबो. See here, considering summation of horizontal forces to be 0. एठी कोन horizontal forces कोन पड़छि. FA is acting towards left and RB is acting towards right. That means FA minus RB equals to 0. This is condition 1. Similarly, summation of vertical forces must be 0. That means here RA is vertical, FB is vertical, and W is vertical. Here we can write RA plus FB minus W equal to 0. Condition 2 satisfied. One more is summation of moments about any point must be 0. Here taking moments about point B. Taking moments about point B. Let this distance is our x. Let this distance is our y. So here taking moments about B and considering anti-clockwise moment to be positive and clockwise moment to be negative. Here summation of moments about B. See, summation of moments about point B must be equal to 0 to be in equilibrium. See, RA into this distance, RA into x, this will constitute a anti-clockwise moment, taking is to be positive. Here FA frictional force which is acting towards left, that is making y distance to B, and this FA constitutes an clockwise movement. Constitutes a clockwise movement. I have told you earlier, clockwise movement should be treated as negative. So that will be FA into Y. And one more thing is here, W. W acts at the midpoint of this x distance. This distance will be x by 2. So that will be, and that will constitute a clockwise moment. So W into x by 2 must be equal to 0. So this equation is the third equation, will lead us to consider a ladder to be in equilibrium. So these three equations are the equations for equilibrium of a ladder. Next, coming to the slide. Here what I have told here, these all are mentioned, that is for equilibrium following equations will be used, that is summation of h is equal to 0, summation of v equal to 0, and summation of m equal to 0. Now moving to solving a problem. से सब प्रिंसिपल को बेस करके हमें केमती प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करियो. कौन अछि प्रॉब्लम रे? ए लैडर ऑफ 5 meters long rests on a horizontal ground and leans against a smooth vertical wall. ମୁଁ କହି ଦଉଛି, rests on a horizontal ground and leans against a smooth vertical wall. Smooth vertical wall माने wall टा पूरा smooth अछि जोथरे कि friction हबो नाही. Condition is given here. Okay. At an angle of 70 degree with the horizontal, the weight of the ladder is 900 Newton and acts at its middle. Then in most of the cases, here it is mentioned the weight of the ladder is 900 Newton and acts at its middle. Both are कौन हुए question रे acts at its middle will दे न थाए, किंतु हमें presume करिवो, assume करिवो weight माने सेटा ता middle रे ही पड़िवो. जेमति हम CG सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया रे हमें पढ़िबू, सेथिर लिखाई छी जे वेट ता सबले CG रे ही एक्ट करे और मिडिल रे ही एक्ट करे. So the ladder is at the point of sliding when a man weighing 750 Newton stands on a rung 1.5 meter from the bottom of the ladder. Calculate coefficient of friction between the ladder and the floor. इठी हमको coefficient friction बात करिवो ladder and floor. Ladder and wall रे बाहर करिया ପାଇଁ काहे की कोइ नै, because the wall is already smooth, सेठी friction हबोनी, तो सेठी coefficient friction दरकार नै. Okay, let's move to the whiteboard. Before solving a problem, let me tell you, you have to be very focused on the problem. What data are given to you and what you need to be found out. तुमको कौन डाटा दिया है तब क्रिस्टल क्लियर विषय जानिबार अछि आ कोन तुमको बाहर करिबार अछि सेटा भी तुम क्वेश्चन रो फाइंड आउट करबा आलो, सेटा को हमें मेंशन कर देबो. Data given, what data are given to you? First thing is a ladder 5 meters long. Length of the ladder is given 5 meters long. Rests on a horizontal ground and leans against a smooth vertical wall at an angle of 70 degree. Okay, let me draw the figure simultaneously side by side. This is a ladder. The tip of the ladder is lean against a wall and the bottom is resting on a horizontal ground. See, the hatching mark shows the ground is rough. Here I am not making the wall hatching. मुई wall को hatching करू नहीं, काहे की त माने से wall टा smooth अछि, सेठी किछि friction हबो नाही, तो ए wall रे हमें friction टा totally ignore कर देबो. Question तो देइसे, let this point be B and this point be A. Weight of the ladder is 900 Newton given 900 Newton given. Now see, the weight of the ladder is 900 Newton and acts at its middle. The ladder is at the point of sliding when a man weighing 750 Newton stands on a rung. See कौन है जी? Ground रू 1.5 meter distance रे rung means a step in a ladder. ए पॉइंट रे कौन है जी? गोटे लोक ठिया है जी. से लोकर वेट केते 750 न्यूटन 750 न्यूटन stands on a rung 1.5 meter from the bottom of the ladder. Calculate coefficient of friction between the ladder and the floor. So weight of the ladder and weight of the man is 750 Newton and angle is given. This angle is 70 degree, so this angle will be definitely 20 degree. And to be found out, कौन हमर ऑब्जेक्टिव कौन सेटा भी लिखि दबाटा बेटर हबो. टू बी फाउंड आउट कौन कैलकुलेट कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन बिटवीन द लैडर एंड द फ्लोर. हमकु म्यू बाहर करबाकू पड़िबो. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. We have to first and foremost thing is you have to mark reactions and frictions at both the tip and bottom of the ladder. Here say this is the reaction at A and here this is the friction at A. Similarly here reaction at B, but here no friction, so we need not mention any FB here. ए wall रे किछि friction हो नै, smooth wall अछि सेठी पय FB लिखिबा दरकार नाही. ठीक अछि. एबे कोन हेला हमकु इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन बाहर करियो पड़िबो. फ्रॉम दिस फिगर सॉल्यूशन. ई फिगर रे हम कोन देखिबो? summation of h आमे बाहर करिबो. इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन पय फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज summation of h must be 0 and summation of v must be 0. These are the statical equilibrium. See एठी हम कोन देखुछु? टोटल RA is equal to 900 plus 750. 900 plus 750, that is 1650 Newton. Clear? RA is 750 Newton and 900 Newton. CD रो वेट और लोकल वेट दीटा मिसी गला को RA सहित समान होची इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन सैटिस्फाई करिया पय. तो RA हमर केते हे गला 1650 न्यूटन. अगेन वी नो F is equal to mu into RA. FA ए पॉइंट रे फ्रिक्शन केते हो हमें जानछु. F equal to mu into RA. तो mu into RA is 1650 न्यूटन हे गला. ठीक, बाहर कर देलु. तापर हमें कोन करिवु? टेकिंग moments about point B, the summation of M B must be equal to 0. See कोन होची? B पॉइंट रे हमें मोमेंट बाहर करिवु. Since RB is passing through point B, so moment due to RB will be equal to 0. ताको हमें अब कंसीडर करिवु नाही. Other than point B, how many forces are acting? RA, FA, 900 Newton and 750 Newton. All these forces are acting. तो हमको चारिटा की मूवमेंट हबो. ताने हम कोन करिवु? सी RA into this distance from this point to this point. So this distance is 5 and this distance is 5 sin 20. सी केमिति एटा हैला RA into 5 sin 20 केमिति हैला RA फोर्स टा को जतले हमें B पॉइंट मोमेंट बाहर करे पाई RA फोर्स टा जतले RA फोर्स टा को B पॉइंट चारि पटे हम बुलेइबू गोटे एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मोमेंट क्रिएट हो तो से RA एटा से B पॉइंट थारु केते परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस रे अछि एउठू एते को दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ रिएक्शन RA फ्रॉम द पॉइंट B तो एउठू तो डिस्टेंस केते हबो this is a right angle triangle this length is 5 and this angle is 20 degree so this one will be 5 sin 20 similarly RA into 5 sin 20 will be equal to FA into 5 cos 20 plus 900 into 2.5 sin 20 plus 750 into this distance will be now see from this point to this point it is mentioned in your question that is 1.5 so from this point to this point this will be 2.5 plus 1 that will be 3.5 so 3.5. Okay, now see RA value is 165 Newton. Put 1650 Newton into 5 sin 20. This is simply solution is equal to FA. Here FA is mu into 1650 Newton. तो हम डायरेक्ट लिखिबा 1650 into mu into 5 cos 20 plus see here 900 into 2.5 sin 20 plus 750 into 3.5 sin 20 that will become 4875 sin 20 clear okay now see dividing 5 sin 20 in both the sides what will happen both side रे इक्वेशन रो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड रे 5 sin 20 टा को हमें डिवाइड करले कोन हबो गोटे इजी सॉल्यूशन भारिबो 1650 into 5 sin 20 divided by 5 sin 20 is equal to 1650 into mu into 5 cos 20 by 5 sin 20 plus 4875 sin 20 divided by 5 sin 20 so ये 5 sin 20 को both side को डिवाइड काहे की कली सिंपलीफिकेशन पे for sake of simplicity in solution finding the solution so 5 sin 20 is 1650 is equal to 5 cos 20 divided by 5 sin 20 that will be cot 20 1650 into mu into cot 20 plus 5 sin 20 gets cancelled sorry 4875 sin 20 divided by 5 sin 20 cancel हो गला 4875 divided by 5 is 975 now see here this is a term and this is a mu term from here we can find out putting the value of cot 20 let me see the value of cot 20 the value of cot 20 is 2.7475 so here implies that 1650 is equal to 1650 into mu into 2.7475 plus 975 implies that here directly by putting all these things in your calculator you can find out your mu. It is another type of problem. A uniform ladder of length 3.25 meter. Length is given. Weight of the ladder is also given, that is 250 Newton, is placed against a smooth vertical wall like your previous one. Previous figure रे, previous problem रे जेमति हमर smooth vertical wall थिला, ये problem रे से smooth vertical wall. With its lower end 1.25 meter from the wall, the coefficient of friction between the ladder and the floor is 0.3. Here, coefficient of friction is given. In your previous question, we have to find out the coefficient of friction. Here itself, the coefficient of friction is given. ताले हमको कौन बाहर करने पड़ेगा? What is the frictional force acting on the ladder at the point of contact? माने frictional force टाको हमें बाहर करिबो between the ladder and the floor, so that the ladder will remain in equilibrium in this position. एठी हमको तीन जिंस बाहर करिबो पड़िबो. हमें ग्राउंड रे frictional force केते बाहर करिबो, पुनी प्रूफ करिबो, so that the ladder will remain in equilibrium position. Okay, let's move to the whiteboard. First is what data are given. Length of the ladder is given 3.25 meter. Okay, this is the ladder resting on the ground. Suppose this point is A, leaning against the wall. Suppose this point is B. Wall is smooth, but the ground is rough. Therefore, I am hatching the ground like this. Figure, you know, figure is the language of engineers. Figure टाको भलो से बनेबो. Figure बने देले figure हमें बहुत किछि जिंस जानि लेबो. So, weight of the ladder is given, that is 250 Newton. Weight of the ladder is given 250 Newton. 250 Newton. Then from the coefficient of friction between the ladder and the floor is 0.3. Mu is given 0.3. Find the frictional force acting on the ladder at the point of contact between the ladder and the floor. A point रे to be found out कौन? To be found out होचे हमारा frictional force at the ground. ए ground रे A point रे frictional force केते सेटा हम बाहर करियो अछि. First हम बाहर करियो frictional force पड़िबो कोड को. Generally, since this bottom of the ladder is having a tendency of sliding towards the right, the frictional force will definitely act towards the left. Suppose this is FA, and generally the reaction will act upward, that is RA. Here the reaction will act towards rightward, that is RB. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more thing is given. The bottom of the ladder is placed 1.25 meter from the wall base ru ladder base पर्यंत distance 1.25 meter given, and the length of the ladder is also given 3.25 meter. Now see, this is a right angle triangle. Moment बाहर करिया पई हमको this distance is needed and also this distance is also needed. So right angle triangle रे hypotenuse given, base given, easily you can find out this distance. Okay. Solution. See, considering, or let us denote this point to be C, and BC will be length of BC will be hypotenuse square root over of 3.25 square minus 1.25 square, and that will become, upon calculation, that will come as 3 meter. Okay, BC is found out to be 3 meter. I have mentioned here. Now question is find out the frictional force at the ground. Okay, directly coming to the solution. Frictional force, we have to find out the frictional force. We know summation of H equal to 0 and summation of V equal to 0. Here see, Ra is equal to upward force. Upward force Ra is equal to total downward force. Ra is here 250 Newton. Ra is 250 Newton, and frictional force at A is equal to mu into Ra. Mu is given in our problem, that is 0.3 into Ra is 250 Newton, that is 75 Newton. So frictional force at A is found out to be how much? This is 75 Newton. Now a peculiar thing, let me tell you, जे ये जो 75 न्यूटन टा बाहरला एटा कोन, this FA is the limiting force of friction, is the limiting force of friction. Limiting force of friction माने maximum force of friction जोटा कि एठी हेई पारिबो from the geometric figure and the loading condition को बेस करके हमें maximum force of friction at A रे केते बाहर कलु 75 न्यूटन बाहर कलु. एबे बाहर करिबु जे इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन रे एक्चुअली केते अवेलेबल अछि. एतिक तो एला हमर 75 न्यूटन होछि मैक्सिमम फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन जोटा कि हमें ए सीडीटा संभाली परिबो. एबे बाहर करिबो जे केते एक्चुअली सेठी अछि. फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन हमें बाहर करिबो. केमिति बाहर करिबो? बाय टेकिंग इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशंस, बाय टेकिंग मोमेंट्स, टेकिंग मोमेंट्स अबाउट B पॉइंट रे हमें मोमेंट्स नबु. प्रीवियसली जेमिति कहथिली जे RB जेहेतु से पॉइंट देख पास करूची तो RB रिएक्शन पाई मोमेंट 0 हे जिवो, इग्नोरिंग द मोमेंट्स ऑफ RB अबाउट पॉइंट B. ताले हम पाखरे कोन रहिला? RA रहिला, FA रहिला एंड 250 न्यूटन रहिला. ताले हम कोन करिवु? RA into this distance 1.25 एंटीक्लॉकवाइज मोमेंट क्रिएट करछि. RA टा एंटीक्लॉक मोमेंट क्रिएट करछि पॉइंट B रे. 250 न्यूटन will create a constitute a clockwise moment. FA will also constitute a clockwise moment. Since we know summation of moments about B equal to 0 means total anticlockwise moment will be equal to total clockwise moment. So first I am taking total anticlockwise moment. So total anticlockwise moment कोन केमिति हबो? RA बाय anticlockwise moment हबो which is also equal to FA into this distance, that is 3 plus W, that 250 Newton into this distance. So 250 Newton means this distance will be there. So 1.25 divided by 2 into 250 Newton. Here RA value में पुट कर दबा. RA value केते होची 250 Newton. So 250 into 1.25 which is equal to FA into 3 plus 0.625 into 250. Here see, solving this equation by putting the values in your calculator, you will find FA to be found out to be 52.1 Newton. Now see, difference हम बोलছি आमे इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन रे माने एई लोडिंग कंडीशन रे जते बेले सीडी रे 250 न्यूटन रो वेट अछि सीडी रो निजरो सेथि पाई ए जागा रे ए पॉइंट रे फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन हमर पडुची केते 52.1 न्यूटन. ऑब्वियसली 52.1 न्यूटन इट पडुची किंतु मैक्सिमम केते हे परिबो मैक्सिमम हे परिबो 75 न्यूटन. दैट मींस इटु हमें कोन जानिबो क्वेश्चन रे पचारिथिला सो दैट prove that the ladder will remain in equilibrium condition. See, first question we have solved. What is the frictional force acting on the ladder at the point of contact between the ladder and floor? हमें बाहर कर देलु केते 52.1 न्यूटन जोटा एक्चुअली अवेलेबल अछि. सेकंड क्वेश्चन होची prove that or show that the ladder will remain in equilibrium in this position. माने सेही पोजीशन रे लैडर ता रहिबो किछि स्लिप होबनी कि किछि गडिबनी ताकू इक्विलिब्रियम बोली के हमें केमिति प्रूफ करिवो. ओके, लेट्स मूव हियर. हमें जानिलु जे एक्चुअली अवेलेबल फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन केते 52.1 न्यूटन एंड मैक्सिमम केते फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स सेटी ऑलरेडी अछि जोटा कि आमे 75 न्यूटन पर्यंत से लैडर टा स्लिप करिवो नाही. ता माने एक्चुअली दिस लैडर इज एनकाउंटरिंग experiencing 52.1 Newton frictional force which is less than the maximum or limiting force of friction. Therefore the ladder is already in equilibrium. तो तुमको केमिति लेखिबा को पड़िबो एटा लेट मी राइट ए बोला लेखिले ही फुल मार्क पाए. केमिति लेखिबो लेखिबो since the available force of friction is less than the limiting or maximum force of friction, that is available FA is less than maximum FA, so the ladder is already in equilibrium. This is the final proof. So हम एट कोन जानलु जे ऑलरेडी प्रॉब्लम टा सॉल्व कर दो डिफरेंट कंडीशंस नेकी. So this is all about ladder friction. We have solved two different kind of ladder friction in different conditions and gist or concept about the ladder and its equilibrium capacity, equilibrium conditions. So I wish तमे माने समस्त भलो से बुझी पारथिबो एटे क्लियरली तमे जानि पारुथिबो. तो आजिर क्लास रे हम कंक्लूड करिवो जे लैडर friction is not a very big issue, it is a very simple and easy issue. Concept is easy, problem solved, we have solved the two problems very easy and lucid manner. You go through it, you can find more and more number of problems and concepts related to the ladder friction in our website, that is www.mkdeducation.com. से नोट्स भी अछि, नोट्स पढि पारिबो, वीडियो क्लासेस भी देखि पारिबो. आ विषय बहुत सारा जिंस हेतरे अच्छे तमे इजीली तो ब्राउज करके देखो. आई विश यू गो थ्रू इट एंड फाइंड द सुटेबल, easy and lucid manner of teaching. So thank you.